Hello, this is working out.
You're 50 pounds is serious.
Hello, this is working out with Sarah Garcia.
Wait.
Hello, this is Sarah Garcia. Hello, I'm Sarah Garcia, and this is Working Out with Sarah Garcia.
I didn't know that.
80 pounds here.
Kevin!
Kevin, get on this thing. Push that weight back. 80 pounds. That way. Just push it back. Just sit on it and just like give it supreme back. Put that in between. Put that in between. Yeah. Give it that. That feels good. When you get it back, it feels good. It's got a little. Look at that mark.
Don't film.
Clean that.
You can't clean it up.
Check motor. Oh, my system.
It was like.
It was in it.
Did you eventually start seeing that mark?
No, it just stopped and I was like, what? Whoa.